So today I'm going to show you how to change your Zelle settings on your Ally bank account. And we're actually going to do this directly on the Ally app. And we're going to go ahead and load this up here in real time so you can follow along step by step. So here we are on the home screen of our Ally bank account, and towards the bottom here you're going to see a section that says profile, and it has that little profile icon. We're going to tap over here, and then over here there is going to be a section that says settings, and just a little bit underneath that there is something that says Zelle settings. This is what we're going to want to go ahead and tap on to go to the next section. Now that does take just a few moments to go ahead and load up, but now we are here on our Zelle settings page, so we can go ahead and change whether it's a phone number or an email address and which account this money is going to either be pulled from or deposited into. So first thing here, you can see at the very top, if you want to go ahead and add a new phone number or email address, you can go ahead and click that little plus sign. Now next up here is the default payment account. This is where all the money that you are going to be receiving through Zelle will come in, as well as all the money that you send out from Zelle is going to be pulled from this. Now you can only have one account that does both for you. You can't have them separated. And then underneath here, you can also see some additional information like primary email and potentially any phone numbers that are currently attached to this Zelle account. Now scrolling down, you can see a little bit more of the information. Of course, this says needs attention. So if you have a phone number or an email address and it's verified, it'll say that for you. And if you have an email address that's already attached to the account, but maybe on a different bank, it'll tell you which bank that's attached to as well. Now, if you need to change any of this information, you can go ahead and click the little arrow button over on the right-hand side to go ahead and do that. Or like we mentioned earlier, go ahead and add that new phone number or email address here at the very top. Now there is more to learn when it comes to utilizing the Ally bank account, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.